Hello friends, please join me in a simple seated posture at your mat, just coming to whatever is comfortable for you to begin. We're going to go ahead, let our hands rest on our lap, breathe deeply, center ourselves, getting started. In the book of Hebrews, chapter 13, verse 16, we're told, "Do not forget to do good and to share with others, for with such sacrifices God is pleased." May our hearts and minds reflect on these words today throughout our practice here. And let's now bring our hands to our knees, palms down, rolling our shoulders up, around, and back. Really soaking it in, and now reversing. Going back, up, in front. Wonderful. Next time you come through to center, give it a little shimmy. And then let's do some seated cat-cow. So arching our spine, inhaling, taking up a lot of space with this mini back bend. And then as we exhale, drawing our belly to the spine, curling forward and in. Inhaling, arching. And then exhaling, curling up. And alternating between the two at your own pace. Do not forget to do good and to share with others, for with such sacrifices God is pleased. And stopping when you come to center once more. Let's stretch our right arm up, lean over to the left. And back to center. Extend our left arm up, lean over to the right. Well done. Lifting, extending a little more, and coming back up to center. Let's switch feet. So the opposite foot in front now as we're here. And we're going to extend our arms out to the side, twist over to the right side. We're going to tap our fingers down to the ground here. Our fingers are merely placeholders. They're not the source of our stretching. That twist comes from our spine. One more nice breath here. And lift, return to center. Full breath. And as we exhale, twist over to the left side, tapping those fingers down to the mat when you found your furthest twist. Once again, fingertips are marking our spot. And release, coming back to center. Let's walk our hands out in front of us for a forward fold over our feet. Do not forget to do good and to share with others, for with such sacrifices God is pleased. And in our final moments together, let's walk our hands up. Allow our hands once more to rest on our knees. And we're going to just focus our breath, filling our belly with air, and then exhaling it out fully. Remembering and reflecting on how justice and generosity go hand in hand. Friends, thank you so much for joining me here today. Grace and peace be with you.